26. Intelligence agencies should be monitored by a body comprising internal, executive, parliamentary and judicial functionaries to have a strict check on the activities of its operatives. The body so designed should be independent, neutral and free from political influence to handle complaints and grievances related to intelligence services to provide effective remedies.
ये खुद नहीं कर सकते एजी साहब, ये खुद सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Why they are asking for the permission of the Supreme Court?
अच्छा, ये मैं इसका I'll just also add to that. In the 76 years of our history, do you think district judiciary can ever write this letter to the Chief Justice of their High Court?
No, sir.
Can they ever write this letter? This is because of this case that they have mustered courage to come up with this letter and written to their Chief Justice. मैंने तो आज तक I was the Chief Justice Lahore High Court कभी लिख ही नहीं सकते वो Chief Justice को letter. So this is strengthening the judiciary. This bench and this suo motu proceedings are doing wonders. This letter could not have been placed on the record by the district judiciary to the High Court ever.
I think maybe there was a more intimidatory environment in Lahore because in Balochistan at least we were very democratic and we would encourage any sort of correspondence. However, I find this letter
Balochistan का culture inclusive है पंजाब.
I don't know. हमें तो बड़े लोग हम तो बैठ जोड़ के बात करते थे और ये जो एक्चुअली इन्होंने जितनी बातें की हैं मतलब सारी नहीं बहुत सारी इनमें से प्रैक्टिकल बातें की हैं. लफवाजी तो बहुत सारे उसमें हैं मगर इन्होंने बड़ी प्रैक्टिकल बातें की और मुझे तो अच्छी लग रही हैं. वैसे बहुत सारी बातें
इसमें मैं ऐसे ऑन अ लाइटर नोट ऐड कर दूं.
अगर मैं ये भी अब देखिए ये आप देखिए माय लॉर्ड ने एक और पॉइंट कह दिया विदाउट रियलाइजिंग इज दैट इज द इंटिमिडेशन फ्रॉम विद इन. How dare a district judge write to the Chief Justice of the High Court? So there देखें ये जो आप कह रहे हैं ना बाहर की एजेंसी का ये भी तो एक इंटिमिडेटरी टैक्टिक हो गया ना कि आप तक बात ही नहीं अब अर्ज भी नहीं कर सकते हैं.
पर ऑन अ लाइटर नोट बलूचिस्तान की डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी ने जवाब नहीं भेजा.
And again
पंजाब से ही आया.
इसका मतलब वहाँ इंटरफेरेंस इसके बाद बलूचिस्तान से नहीं आया इसका मतलब है बलूचिस्तान में इंटरफेरेंस नहीं है. और दूसरी बात इसका एक और भी इंप्रेशन है कि बलूचिस्तान के जजेस को मालूम है कि अगर कोई इंटरफेरेंस है तो उसको रिपेल कैसे करना है.
नहीं लर्नड अटॉर्नी जनरल
और ये बलूचिस्तान के जवाब में आपको लर्नड अटॉर्नी जवाब पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें
लर्नड अटॉर्नी जनरल अगेन ऑन अ लाइटर नोट जो बलूचिस्तान का I found the response most interesting. उन्होंने मार्टिन लूथर किंग और अकबर अल आबादी के शेर से पहले सब कुछ कह दिया है.
सिंध करने इसकी लाहौर हो गया
बगैर कुछ कहने के वो सब कुछ कह गए. And that is the fear. The fear is of the state. The state is to protect independence of judiciary. There has been a partnership between the judiciary and establishment for the past 76 years. That culture continues. That is what
I don't know. At least there's no culture here. So let's not condemn everybody if we condemn everybody, we condemn nobody. I absolutely do not subscribe to that theory. If there was any interference in my work, and if I could not withstand the pressure,
yes,
I would go home.
Yes.
Sorry, please. I will not accept this statement. I've been a judge, Balochistan Chief Justice, for 5 years and 1 month. Please find out from the people of Balochistan how much interference there was and whether it was accepted. Since I've been a judge here, I have fought for the independence of the judiciary from within. And the greatest threat of the independence of the judiciary was from the Supreme Court, not from outside. In my opinion, I've lived through it, I've experienced it. So these are not empty words. Please do not include me in the 76 years of Pakistan's history. And there are many such persons who should not be included. Let's condemn those who require condemnation. Let's not condemn all and thereby save all. If there has been wrongdoing, point it out. This is wrong, this is correct.
My lord is absolutely right. I haven't condemned all. There have been exceptions. I've also served in 2018. And no one could influence my court. For 4 years as Chief Justice, nobody could dare influence a single judge. Not just me. And the judgments of Islamabad High Court speak for themselves.
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ
हाई कोर्ट का सिंध का पढ़ते हैं आगे बढ़ते हैं चलें. We are detracting a bit. Sorry.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ एजी साहब सुने जरा. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारा कल्चर ऐसा है कि लोग कोशिश करते हैं इंटरफेरेंस की कहाँ कामयाब होते हैं कहाँ नहीं होते, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द जज।
उसी के लिए कह रहे हैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल अब एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है उसको।
ये बात तो अभी I probably speak for everybody on the bench that nobody ever received any interference. मेरे आज तक के काम में किसी I never received any, there has been no interference in the work that I've done so far. But this is telling us that there is something happening somewhere. So it doesn't mean that it's happened to me personally, but it's happening to the system, in that system that you want to fix.
My opinion is that those who cannot withstand the pressure, they should not sit on these chairs. इतना आप में character हो कि आप face करें.
With great respect, the pressure is always there. The culture of this institution is there. It is for courageous judges to stand up and not be bothered.
And not make complaints.
And it's not just, you see, again I will emphasize, the problem is the state and the state organs. When they become aggressive against the judges, जो जस्टिस बाबर के साथ सतार के साथ पिछले कुछ दिनों में हुआ है, that is what happens.
ये क्या उनका ये
that is the fear.
ये उनका कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की, एजी साहब, क्या उन 6 जजेस का ये कसूर था कि इन्होंने शिकायत की? शिकायत करने वाले के साथ ये हो रहा है, और अगर हम स्टैंड लेंगे तो उनके साथ क्या होगा? सोचें जरा.
And the high courts are confirming that is the culture of this institution.
My lord, all the more reason कि आपका एक institutional response आ रहा है वो, और ये जो अभी तक मैंने पढ़ा है,
अच्छा मेरे ख्याल में देखिए अटॉर्नी जनरल
read out बलूचिस्तान से.
पेशावर का पढ़ लें.